Alright, so I have it set up now for the card that's currently in there, which is the Intel 4965 card. And I'm going to do the same thing for each card here, so I have a record of it. So first thing I want to do is this. I'm actually going to put that into the file. Okay, so that shows right here which card it is. Then I'll also want to remember how to do this. Okay, let's just do iPerf. Oh no, first the IW config. See, it's 150 megabit channel, and where is it? Signal levels, link quality 63/70. So let's send that to a file so we can compare later. Double check that it worked. Yes, it did. Okay. And then after that, I want to do an iPerf connecting to my server, which is on the other side of the room. This will do traffic for 10 seconds. And then it will tell us how fast it was. Not sure what that error is about. Okay, so this one gives me 15.5 megabits per second. I think rather than logging it again to put in the file, I'll just cut and paste it into a file. So and that's iperf.txt. Paste in the file. Okay, so that gives us a little bit of data. The only other thing I wanted was which driver it's using. So give me a moment. This should be faster on the other ones when the time comes, because I just don't know how to do it. I just don't remember what it is offhand that tells you this. Actually, hold on. No. K, that's the one. So lspci.k. Awesome, okay. So let's do this again. I'm just going to dump the entire lspci like this, I think, and overwrite the other file. Because then if you look at this, you can then search for network. Nope, not that one. That one. And it tells you which driver it is, which module. Perfect. And also identifies the card. Awesome. Okay. I think that's all I need for now. So let's leave it hanging at that. Now I'm going to disassemble the keyboard of the laptop, take the entire top off the laptop, and put in the next card. And I will be back, and we'll run the same test with the next card. Okay, I got my second card in there now. This one's one that was branded Apple. It's an Atheros AR5418 card. So let's do the same stuff again. lspci-k to an lspci.txt, which we'll then go and look at quickly. There we go. It's showing up, and it's using the AF9K driver. Awesome. And this one's getting a bit rate of 243 megabits per second. That's nice. Okay, let's output that into the file. It's already an improvement. Okay, now let's do an iPerf to the server. See how that goes. I should have keyed that to a file. That's a bit better. Just do this. Copy. What was that again? iPerf.text. Paste into file. Okay, I think that's it for this one. Now we go on to the next one and get all the data points, and I'll figure out which one to put in there. So far this one's the winner, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, next one on the pile is the Realtek RTL 8191 SU card that I have. I have some small problems here in that when I do this, we can see it sees the gigabit onboard gigabit Ethernet, and that is all. It doesn't even see the card. So either I didn't put it in there properly, or it is kind of not working. I'm going to try something, but I don't think this thing is actually any good. I'm going to try just gently unscrewing it and see if I can get it, screw it back in. It might hang the computer, hopefully not. I don't know if these are officially hot plug or not. This exact second, I don't care. Obviously the keyboard's in the way, I can't see what I'm doing. There we go. Let's just put the keyboard face down for a moment. Hey, that works. Okay, now that definitely clicked in. Where'd the screw go? Here it is. You can screw it back in. So it's at the correct angle. Oops. Try that again. Okay. I did not want help. So bump the F1 key when I flip it back over. Okay, let's do the LSP. Also because I bumped the caps lock. LSPCI. No, still not seeing it. Is there a way to scan PCI? Ah, the heck was that? I think this one's a bit of a write-off. At the moment, anyway. Well, I'm going to call this one of no use to me right now. I'll give it one more power cycle, see if that helps. If not, then it's dead to me. Okay. Next is the Atheros, little Atheros card that I got. It was Dell branded, I believe. And it reports itself as an AR9463. Let me just do this. LSPCI.text. LSPCI.text network. Okay. And it also uses the ASP9K, similar to the other one did. So it's working. And it's a 300 megabit channel. Winner so far. iwconfig.text. And then I want to do an iperf C10.0.0.150 pipe t iperf.text. .3 megabits per second. That's using TCP, which is actually a lot slower than UDP, but it gives us an A to B to C comparison, so that's all I really care about at the moment. Yeah, I also downloaded the firmware for the Broadcom chip while this was working, so I will now go back to that one. Be right back. Okay, yeah, I put the Broadcom one back in now that I've loaded the firmware for it. It's the only one so far that had external firmware that had to be loaded. So let's see how this works. Let's dump this into the LSPCI. Should be the same as before. Not that that matters. It should just be working now. There we go. Yep, that looks right. Now I want to do an iwconfig. .48 megabits. Alright. Well, just for completion's sakes, let's do this anyway. iperf C10.0.0.150 pipe t iperf.text. Expect this to be really slow compared to the other ones. Yeah, just a little bit. Alright, just out of curiosity, let's do this. BMCA. What's with it? BM. I can't remember things from one minute to another. Network. BCMA. Should have known that. Okay. Well, it definitely found my device, didn't it? Alright, well, it's slow, apparently. No biggie. Alright, and just for fun, I'm going to put the Intel chip one that I don't like in here, and we'll see just how bad it is. Although it's not as bad as the one that doesn't work, but anyway. Let's close this off, and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, I put the bad Intel card 6300 in there. So let's see what it has to say for itself, shall we? Oops. PCI, there we go. LSPCI.text. Okay. Network. Alright, there it is. The Ultimate N6300 3x3. Okay. Now for the fun part. iwconfig. iwconfig.text. 6 megabits. Yeah, hideous. And it tends to, as you see with the valid miscellaneous there, it tends to get a lot of errors. and then it drops out, and then it comes back again, and it drops out, and it comes back again. So let's finish this off before it drops out. And iperf 10.0.0.150 iperf.text. And that's higher than it used to be, but it still sucks. So I am going to, I don't know how that's even possible. I'm going to put back in the good card, and we'll close the laptop back up again. I think that's been pretty conclusive. Other than the Realtek card not working at all, it seems that the best card I have is the Atheros one that's from Dell. It's the Atheros 9602, I think it was, something like that, 9642, whatever. The 9462, that one. So I will shut this down and put that one back in and leave it at that for now.